Maybe if you got on the other
Yeah.
side. Kind of like over there.
Okay, yeah.
Then you could see him without me in the way. Stay on, stay on.
It's great. Good going, Cody and Mustang. Good riders.
He's not the least bit afraid.
Yeah, that's amazing.
He loves it.
He balances pretty well, too.
He does. Yeah, the only time he fell off was when Mustang jumped over down that little hill there and jumped over some rocks. And Cody wasn't quite ready for that. Were you? But you went right back on, didn't you?
Well, they always say get right back on the horse. Hello. 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 Oh, what a good horse. Yes, you're chewing away. Chewing away.
Sometimes Cody just goes up to him and it puts his front legs on his hind, on his legs and just kind of one step.
Oh, how
It's
fun!
kind of like, I want to ride a horse.
Give me a ride.
And now he's had rides. Yes, it's hot, isn't it?
Oh, you're so good. So good, Rio.
So do you think